Hey everyone, Matt King with the King Piers team, out here with another video showcase of the nation's very best engineering sound foundation repair. If you'd like to see more, we highly encourage you to visit us over on our YouTube and Facebook channels. If you haven't visited before, just search for King Piers LLC, and while you're there, please leave a like and a subscribe. We're back out here finishing up the mortar portion of our stone foundation renovation here in downtown Kansas City, here inside this cellar. We have already removed the pre-existing cinder block walls that were inside this back part of the cellar. We've rebuilt the stone foundation behind it. Really looks nice in here now. We've got the stone foundation on top remortared with our high-strength concrete mortar. Now we're just finishing that portion up throughout this first room. So everything looks really nice there. We're gonna get this area squared off here, smoothed out, looking really good. Got back here. Now we're just letting everything dry before we smooth out the walls that we're lining the stairs. Filling in a couple of spots up on the stairs. We got a little bit down here on the bottom step. So we'll get that taken care of today. And then hopefully later this afternoon, the last little bit of this project is getting a couple sections torn out of the existing floor down here and getting some new high-strength concrete in here to re-pour those sections. And then should be ready to knock out the painting tomorrow and finish up the last little miscellaneous items. We're going to get the door reframed down here at the entrance. We're going to get that over the big latch door at the top of the steps. We'll get that redone as well. And then you saw in our video yesterday, we're going to tuck point some of the stone walls on the street side of the house, and then a couple little spots in the back on the driveway and a little concrete patio at the top of the stairs. So the vast majority of this project is complete now. Once that floor portion is done, it's really just some miscellaneous stuff. We've already got the paint here to get started on some sections of that. So we're looking to be finished up here within the next day or so. So stay tuned for more updates. Again, you can always find those on our YouTube and Facebook channels. Just search for King Piers LLC, and while you're there, please leave a like and a subscribe. You can also go to our website, www.kingpiers.com, and don't forget you can always call us directly by phone at 1-816-288-4373.